Hi folks, Lamar Davis over here at Country Chevrolet in Benton, Kentucky. And what I have for you now is a 2008 Chevy Avalanche LTZ with only 101,000 miles on it. And it has been well taken care of. As you can see, it's got the deep ruby metallic paint. Power windows and locks, remote start, heated leather, dual climate controls, power adjustable pedals, rear park assist with a sunroof, four-wheel drive, driver memory seats, now this little beauty is also equipped with a 5.3 liter V8. It's going to get you great power and fuel economy. If you haven't driven an Avalanche, you need to come check it out. It's got one of the best rides. A lot of people compliment it. So come on down to Country Chevrolet, folks, or call us at 270-527-8671 today.